Honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, today we're going to be getting rid of pumpkins. I have so many little pumpkins that I don't even understand why I have so many, but I went through a Tupperware and I went through a box of pumpkins. I got rid of a lot of them that I did not want to keep anymore. I want to show you guys what I have here. A lot of the pumpkins are on this side over here, the ones that I'm not going to keep. And then the ones that I'm going to keep, I have them on this little corner over here. I don't really have a lot. I didn't keep a lot. I'll be honest. I didn't keep a lot of pumpkins. So, okay, let's start because I'm so tired. I cannot wait to finish the pumpkins and go downstairs and take a shower, drink coffee, and just relax for like an hour. I'm exhausted. These pumpkins exhausted. I don't know why I'm so exhausted. I only went through 1.5 Tupperwares and I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Okay, let me show you what you're going to be receiving. Okay, so a lot of these pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. All right, and I think they're really beautiful, but again, I'm not going to use them, so why keep them, right? So you're going to get 4 of these pumpkins. Now, some of these pumpkins have lights, and the lights, some of them work and some of them don't, okay? So I don't know how many, like this light does not work. This light works, okay? So just keep in mind that some lights work and some lights don't work, okay? I'm going to have 4 of these. Oh, see, this light's working also. Oh, see that? How cute are these? I love these. These are so cute, but I'm not going to use them. So but look how pretty they are. Gorgeous, right? Like by the window or something. Okay, I'm going to get rid of 4 of these. Okay. I'm going to get rid of 3 of these. Again, some lights work and some lights don't. This light is not working. This light is. Okay. Let's see if this light works. And this light works. Okay. So these are really cute to put outside. I wouldn't put these outside because these can really, there's the foam. And so the foam can really not hold up well with like rain, but these are cute to put like in the windowsill or, you know, somewhere indoors. It's really adorable to do that. So okay, you're gonna get those. All right, you're gonna get some of these also. I have them in there. Again, some of the lights work, some lights don't. This light seemed to work. All right, you're gonna get, and then you're gonna get this one also. The light works also. Okay. All right, and then we're going to talk about mini little pumpkins. So I have here a whole bunch that I'm going to not keep for myself. So you're going to get 3 of these little mini pumpkins. These are so cute. I love using these to put outside in the front of the house. I have a stairway that goes up the main door. I like putting these on the stairway. So you're going to get 3 of these. Really, really cute ones. Kind of creepy looking, but cute. You're gonna get 3 of these. That gives me like a lot of like the Nightmare Before Christmas kind of vibes, right? You're gonna get 3 of these. Okay. You're gonna get this pumpkin also. Okay, you're gonna get 3 of these. Okay. You're gonna get 2 of these. 2 of these. A lot of pumpkins. 1 of these, sparkly one. You're going to get 2 of these. Okay. Two of these. These are cute for Thanksgiving. Okay. You're going to get this one and this one. Okay. I really, really love these, but I decided to just get rid of them. You're going to get 4 of these. Beautiful, gorgeous pumpkins. I love these pumpkins. I love the color. So beautiful. But I'm just going to let them go. You're going to get 2 of these. Creepy ones with the hands. And you're going to get 2 of these. Yeah. Let's see what else. I think that's it. Yeah. And that's it. That's what you're going to get. I'm thinking, I'm not sure about these. I have 4 of these. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm just like, do I really want these? I don't know yet. I might just get rid of these, but I'm really having a hard time deciding if I want to keep these or not. And I'm also having a really hard time deciding if I want to keep these. These are so beautiful, but I don't know. Something about them that is just not calling my attention. I think they're gorgeous and they're beautiful. And by the way, these things were freaking expensive, but I like them, but I'm not sure if I want to keep them. So I don't know. I'm still debating whether I want to get rid of these or not. I didn't really keep a lot. I didn't. I kept a few things. I kept a lot of my, these are like the fabric ones from the Dollar Tree. I kept a whole bunch of these. I love these. Oh, I just thought about something. I have a whole bunch of pumpkins in another bag that I bought. Okay, so that is all the pumpkins I'm going to be letting go. So I'm going to put them all in this box. Hopefully I can fit them all in this box. I'm trying to put everything all in boxes so I can kind of carry them out easily and handle them easily. Yeah, so I'm going to keep them all in these boxes. Hopefully they fit in here. On our next video, I'm going to really just kind of like go over everything because I'm almost done. I only need 2 more Tupperwares and I'm almost done. So I think what I'm going to do is on the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything downstairs and I'm going to pile them up in my living room, and I'm going to show you guys exactly everything that I'm going to be decluttering, so you have an idea of every single thing. And then we'll talk more about, well, I'll give you more information about how to purchase these things if you want them, or how to go about maybe picking these things up if you live near my area. Okay, I'm so tired. I can't even speak. I can't even think right now. I'm like, I don't even know how I'm doing this video. Okay, my loves, I love you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. I will be posting in another day or 2. I'm going to be posting the final video, which is everything that we've done together. And hopefully we can get to the Christmas stuff. I'm really excited, but very, very stressed out about Christmas because I love my Christmas stuff. I love it. And so I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll talk about that in another few weeks. For now, let's try to get rid of this stuff. Yeah, okay, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there. I will see you guys on my next video in another few days. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for your sweet comments. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye, honeys.